it's the unboxing expert here, and today I'm going to be looking at this product in front of me, and this is what I think is the AirPod killer, right? So this thing is an alternative if you want to get a AirPod for less money. That's what we should say. Now this is for only a few people, like people with the 7 Plus to the XS Max, or the 7, any iPhone that is over 6S or 6S Plus, or the Google Pixel phone, which is the 3XL or the 3. So with all that said, let's get into the video and get more in depth. Guys, this product is a very good product, I think, right? So I think it's a good product, but we're gonna be putting it through the test anyway, and I'm gonna be putting this through some tests. So sound quality isn't obvious, right? We're gonna be putting this thing through the comfort test to see how it fits, because based on the form factor on this thing, it's telling me that is the same form factor as the AirPods, that it's fit all and whatever. They don't put in any wingtips or anything. That's what I'm assuming. And this thing comes with 1 hour battery life. It comes with a 950 milliamp battery, and it also does for Bluetooth 4.0. So it should be a good Bluetooth headset. You can maybe stay around 10 meters away from it and it still works. Now, you know what? No more chit chat. Let's get into this box and let's see what this thing is made of. Because more than likely because I think this thing is a China thing, like I think it's a China item, so it maybe don't produce any good sound quality. That's my biggest fear right now. It doesn't produce any sound quality at all. Just hoping that it does work in any case. Okay. So they put some pretty good tape on this thing. By the way, this thing retails on Amazon for $18. So you can get this on Amazon for $18. Links down below if you want to check it out. By the way. Okay, alright, so we're in the box now. Okay, so it comes in a case. That's always a good touch to it. It comes in a case, so you can okay. A manual with some instructions, which I'm going to be reading because I don't know how complicated this thing is. It comes with a micro USB, which I'm probably not going to be using. Okay, so that's pretty much what comes in the box. So I know this is what you guys are here for. So this thing is Bluetooth 4.0, comes with its own charging case. Yeah, you can see that right there. And it's a charging case as well, so you see what happens when you pop them in. Okay, so a red light comes up when you pop them in. Not bad. Okay, I'm maybe going to have to go for a phone to test these things, so I'll be back in a sec. Just got a phone here to test this thing out, and it will actually have to go through some weird sequence to get this thing to work. That's one of the test functionality, and I have to test out this thing to see if it takes a long while to get these things to work. So I'll be back with you guys after I finish figuring out how to use this thing. Okay, so guys, it took quite a while to get this thing to pair up. It took me like a 20-minute period to get this thing paired, but once you get to understand it, then you will get to pair it properly. Now let me just go over the steps real quick. So this thing, you have to like press this one, then you hold on this one to get it to work. So it's some weird sequence that you have to go through to get this thing to work. So functionality, not matching up to the AirPods any at all, because the AirPods, you just connect them to your phone and then it would work. So anyway, we need to test the next factor of this thing, the fit and the sound quality. And I'm gonna be taking the back pocket test to this thing. So let's go. Let me fit. Okay, so the fit is definitely good. It's good enough for me, but maybe someone else ear shape will be better. So it's a form factor that every ear size fits also. Not too good, but you know what, it fits. So let's play some music. Let's play some Pine and Ginger from this weird guy's name. It's okay. Okay, so can I note something real quick? This thing, it has some good amount of low mid and it gives you some amount of high mid. So you get some pretty good sound out of this thing for the price, $18. Remember that's the price tag for this thing. So you're on all links down below, by the way, and this thing is superb when it comes down to fit. And for the price, yes, it's good when it comes down to those stuff, but I don't think it will match up to the quality that you will get out of a AirPod. So with that said, guys, this thing is well, and a lot of you guys, let me just mention this, a lot of you guys will be asking, should I even buy this? Well, my answer is yes. Because of the price, it is exemptable. You can exempt it's not something, some things about this is not something to quarrel over, because this thing is pretty good at what it does. But with that said, guys, I think this is the end of the video, and I think these things work pretty well. And guys, if you want to see weekly content like this, where I unbox, review, and recommend things to you guys, and I always find it budget friendly options, you can check out my channel, subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon so you never miss when I upload. So with that said, guys, see you in the next video.